Hey family, it's your girl Vilal. I am making chimichangas in the kitchen. Take a look at what I have going on. Now this all started the other day when my daughter was making chimichangas. So I had ground beef that was in the refrigerator that I cooked with bell peppers and onions. You see I have my shredded lettuce, limes, and sliced up grape tomatoes. And I had a little bit of red rice that's going to go as a side. And this is my homemade enchilada sauce. And of course I use a flour tortilla, add my beef, a little bit of cheese, and a tablespoon of enchilada sauce. I wrap them and then I brown them in a skillet with a little bit of oil, seam side down. And this is what it looks like. I put down a chimichanga, my enchilada sauce, cheese on top, and then my lettuce and tomato, and the tiniest bit of enchilada sauce on top, just so you can melt that cheese, and my Spanish rice on the side. Till next time.